Okay, it's about 10 o'clock. Snow's been coming down for a while. Still kind of coming down. I wasn't buying into the hype that this was like the great blizzard of our time, because I thought the one we had a few years ago was kind of bad, but yeah, this wins. Because this is how deep this shit is. That's some deep fucking snow for Oklahoma. Here's a little trench I'm digging out with a fucking broom, because that is how much ass I kick. Digging a trench at 10 o'clock at night so I can get to my car, hey Winona, and get out my grandmother's super secret Santa surprise gift, because that is how fucking awesome I am. Yep.